Hey everyone, and welcome to Digital Gift Card Plugin Tutorial. Guys, this is Drishti. In today's video, I have come up with GiftFair WooCommerce Gift Card Lite that helps you create and sell the online digital gift cards. Let's see the plugin working demo. Guys, before that, let us first see that how does it help the online merchants. So with the help of this, enable the gift card listing on shop page, allow gift card for free shipping, select the delivery method, and set the gift card coupon length. Allows to set the minimum maximum spend amount, set the number of time usage, enable the custom email template, and select the email template that you want to set. So here comes the gift card lite settings. So these are the general settings, guys, that you need to do as soon as you have installed the plugin. First is enable. So to enable the WooCommerce gift card, enable this option over here. Next comes enable tax. So if you want to apply the tax calculation for gift card, you need to enable the option. Next, enable the listing on the shop page. So if you want to enable the listing of the gift card on the shop page, you need to enable this option from here. Next comes the individual usage. So to ensure the usage of the gift card individually by the online buyers, you need to enable this option. Next comes the free shipping. So to provide the gift card for free shipping, you need to enable this option. Next is disable apply coupon fields. Enable this option to disable the coupon fields to be applied on the gift cards. Next comes delivery method selection. So guys, here are the two delivery methods, mail to recipient and downloadable by buyer. So enable this option or either this. So let's go with mail to recipient. Next comes gift card coupon length. From here you can mention the length of the gift card coupon code. You can set the value as per your wish. Next comes gift card prefix. Here you need to mention gift card prefix. Next is gift card expiry after days. So in this field you need to mention the number of days after which the GiftFair card will be considered as expired. So let's set the value. Next is minimum spend. Here you can set the minimum spend amount on the gift card, and this is the maximum spend amount. Here you can mention it over here. And next is gift card number of time usage. So here you can set the value for the gift card to be used. Next, enable the custom email template. So guys, if you enable this option, you can use the custom email template of your own. And if you disable this, you need to select the email templates that we have defined at our plugin. So these are the two. You can select any one of these as per your wish. So let's enable the custom email template so that we can use the custom email template. And after making settings, click on Save Changes. So all the settings have been saved as we get the message. Next we move to products. So this is the product settings. First, exclude the sale items. So to exclude the sale items, enable this option. Next is exclude products. So here you need to mention the products that you want to exclude it as a gift card. So these are the various products. If I select any one of the product like this, and likewise you can mention the products more. Next, exclude the product category. So here you need to mention the product categories that you want to be excluded, on which the gift card won't be applied, its coupon code. And next, click on Save Changes. So here you get the message, all the settings have been saved. Next, create custom email template. So this is the tab for the email template, and these are the instructions for using the short code. These are the short codes as you can see, and these are the various descriptions consequent to each short code. So if you go with this short code, it will get replaced with the logo of company on the email template. Next is to, if you use this short code, it will get replaced with the email of the user to which the gift card is being sent. Next is from. For this short code, it will get replaced with the email of the user who sent the gift card. Next is message. If you use this short code, it will get replaced with the message of the user who has sent the gift card, right? Next is amount. So if you go with this, next is coupon. Likewise, it will get replaced with the gift card coupon code. Next is default event. For this short code, it will get replaced with the default event on settings. So as we will see in our plugin demo, we'll be using this shortcode default event. Next is expiry date. So for this shortcode, it will get replaced with the gift card expiry date. So next is upload default logo. From here, you need to upload the logo. So let's select the logo and set it over there. So let's say I select this, and then here we have got the uploaded logo. And after this, what you need to do, you need to click on insert into post. So here you can see the image has been uploaded as logo. Next is gift card email subject. So here you need to mention the email subject that is gonna be observed by the recipient. So for example, we mention it over here, congratulations, you have received the gift card. Like this, we write it over here, you have received the gift card from the shortcode buyer mail address. This is a shortcode as buyer email address to be placed. So we place it over here. And next is the custom HTML. So guys, let me show you the visual format of the custom HTML that we have defined. So this is the gift card template. Here you can see the coupon code format, and this is the format as you can see, from address to address, and this is the amount shortcode that we have used. And after making all the settings, you need to click on save changes. So we have got the message settings saved. Guys, have you subscribed our channel yet? So if you haven't, subscribe it now to keep getting more updates on the gift card plugins and all the upcoming functionalities. So guys, all the settings have been saved, and now we are moving to the shop page, and let's buy one of the gift card. So let's say this, click on view card. Here you need to mention the address. Like if I mention my name, here I'm mentioning the gift card message that I want to send, like this. Here I'm mentioning the recipient email address, and then let us see the preview of the gift card. Okay, so here is the preview of the gift card. As you can see, this is in the similar format that I have shown in the custom HTML, and then I'm clicking on the add to cart, and here I get the message that happy birthday has been added to your cart. And as you can see, then click on proceed to checkout. So guys, the order has been placed, and this is the checkout form. Here you need to mention the credentials like name, company's name, and all the required details, and then click on place order. So I have purchased the gift card, and here I get the message, thank you, your order has been received, and these are the order details. And okay guys, so this is the gift card that has been received by the recipient, and this is the coupon code as you can see with the no expiration. And this is the default event that has been used, and the from address, this is the to address, and this is the gift card amount. So guys, here you can see that this is the coupon code that the recipient will use for the shopping. So let's say she clicks on shop and select any one product like this and adds to the cart. So here she get the message, beanie has been added to your cart, and mention the coupon code over here that she had copied, and then click on apply coupon. So here she gets the message, coupon code applies successfully. So guys, you must be observing how excellent this is. So this is the cart totals, and then she clicks on proceed to checkout. This is the checkout form, and that is needed to be filled by the recipient of the gift card. Here she enters all the details and click on place order. Alright guys, so the order has been placed, and here she gets the message, your order has been received. So guys, this was all about the Giftware Lite settings demo. And guys, if you're having any of the query, then put them in the comments below. And guys, we have mentioned all the links in the description below. Just have a look over there. And I'll soon be back with the more gift card plugins, their tutorials, demonstrations, and all the upcoming functionalities. And till then, thanks for watching as well as stay connected.